In this video, I will show you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. In order to do that, head over to your Help site, scroll down and click on this Add New App. Now just search in here for Google reviews until you can see this. Once you're done with that, just choose in here the template that you want. For example, for me, I'll just put in here this carousel widget and click on this continue with this template. Now put in here or search in here for your actual business. So for example, I'll just put in here this Brooklyn Museum, click on search right here, and then just click on your business. Now we have this, click on this publish option, and as you can see, it's now been published. After that, close this one. Then we have this one, click on this install option, click on copy code, head over right here to your Wix, and then just locate wherein you want to add it. I'll add it right around here, click on this plus icon, then click on this embed code, and then click on this embed HTML, and then add it to your site. Now once it's been added, just put in here the code that we have copied, click on update right here, and then close this, and then after that just wait for the code to actually appear and then show you right here your actual Google reviews. So you can resize it in order to make sure that everything is putted right here.